family friend recently graduated from law school and will be starting his career at a large law firm next fall. Asked to provide some advice, I started compiling tips and recommendations, things to do and not to do. As I considered my own experiences as a first-year associate at a big firm and the diverse training and exposure that first-year associates receive, I quickly formulated a list that required a scroll rather than a post-it. There are so many things not taught in law school that are only learned by young lawyers through the Hard Knock School. These quick tips are intended to help young lawyers develop the attribute that is the single most important building block for future marketing and business development efforts, namely becoming an excellent attorney. So, in no particular order, here's what you need to know as a first-year associate. Tip number 1. Being busy is no substitute for being productive. For new associates, billable hours are important, but the most valued associates are those who not only bill but get the job done. Be a finisher. Tip number 2. Stop making excuses. You may get an occasional unfair review or you may not get along with a particular partner, but law firms are by and large meritocracies. You must own up to your shortcomings, failures, and disappointments. Learn from them. Tip number 3. Work on your writing skills. This will serve you well wherever your legal career takes you. Identify the skilled writers in your firm and emulate their writing style. Tip number 4. Learn how to use a calendar. You'll soon be busier than you can imagine and you don't want to miss a conference call or blow a deadline. Tip number 5. You have no idea how much partners value good associates. Senior attorneys play a crucial role in guiding and supervising junior associates. This may not be clear at first, but it will be after a couple of years. Tip number 6. You have no idea how much partners detest bad associates. Did you really think they wouldn't notice subpar work or a bad attitude? Tip number 7. Understand business and learn from clients. Just because you went to Harvard doesn't mean you're smarter than your client that went to State U. After all, who built the $100 million company? Tip number 8. You'll never develop clients sitting behind your desk. You may not consider yourself a schmoozer or think that networking is important. Get over it. So you were told that generating business is not important as an associate. How do you think you're going to stack up when being reviewed against your colleague with a book of business? Tip number 9. 8 years will go by faster than you think. Study the attributes, skills, and approaches of the associates who make partner at your firm. Model yourself after them. Tip number 10. Be serious, but please don't take yourself too seriously. You are a first-year associate. You have a lot to learn. Tip 11. Treat your colleagues with respect. Be respectful and courteous to paralegals, marketing staff, and assistants at your firm. You are going to need them to bail you out of a jam soon. Tip 12. Take vacations. Enjoy your time off. Recharge your batteries. Reconnect with family and friends. Just kick butt when you get back. Tip 13. Don't be afraid to say no. If you're too busy to take on that new client matter or non-billable project, say so. The implications of taking on something you can't follow through on will be exponentially worse than any impression created by saying no. Note: this presumes you are, in fact, too busy. Tip 14. Don't hide from that notorious partner. There's at least one, usually many, in every firm. The attorney who has a reputation for being brutal to work for. There's a big difference, however, in having high expectations and being rude, condescending, or unfair. Attorneys with high expectations for associates are usually top performers, i.e., the ones you want to hitch your cart to. Tip 15. Get out of your silo. Large firms have experts in almost every conceivable skill set and practice areas. If you're a bankruptcy lawyer, you can always tap a litigator to take that deposition or put on that witness. But you'll become a much stronger, well-rounded lawyer by getting out of your comfort zone and learning to do it yourself. Tip 16. Prep your family or significant other. Practicing law at the highest levels is demanding, stressful, at times unreasonable, and occasionally outright unfair. It will put strains on your personal relationships. Prepare for it. Tip 17. Stay confident. You're going to screw something up. An embarrassing typo, A misinterpreted opinion, an errant email. You may get reamed for it, but you need to stay confident and aggressive. A timid, defensive-minded lawyer will be stressed out, dislike the job, and not be very good at it.